Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this series about this puzzle generator. And this is, I left the link, and I'll leave a link to the puzzle generator on this one too. The gentleman I was trying to help was trying to use the intersect tool, and it works. Now, this is the type of puzzle, if you didn't watch part 1, is where I made a new puzzle of objects. So this puzzle, this is the generator, this is the puzzle one. But it's grouped together. Now we can put our puzzle on top and we can intersect it. Now the disadvantage in this, and it worked, is that the pieces aren't broken apart. So let's nudge that down and see these pieces are not broken apart. So we can ungroup them, and you could ungroup this, but the puzzle, the pieces are still not going to be like the power clip did in the first one. They're not going to come apart as easily because they're two different pieces. Now you can, if you wanted to, you could nudge them out of the way and that would have those puzzle pieces. But the power clip in this scenario actually works better. Now, like in video 1 or section 1 or part 1, this isn't the best way to cut the puzzle because these pieces are going to cut twice. That line, this line and this line are going to cut twice. Where this is a better way to do it as I did in part 1. Because these puzzle pieces, if we go to object, group, well, maybe it's already ungrouped. There you go. These lines are only going to cut once. So it's a much better way to cut out, especially if you're doing like a mat board or even a, because once you glue a picture on that, you want as little cut as you can. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.